In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover from accidental deletions in Notion. Accidentally deleting a page or a block in Notion can feel terrifying, especially if it's something important like a project hub, meeting notes, or a personal dashboard. The good news is that Notion has a couple of built-in safety nets that make it possible to get your content back as long as you act within the right time frame. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can restore deleted pages quickly and confidently. First, let's talk about how Notion handles deleted content. Whenever you delete a page, it doesn't disappear immediately. Instead, it's moved to an area called trash. On free and plus plans, deleted pages stay in trash for 30 days before they're permanently removed. So if you've deleted something within the last month, there's a very good chance you can get it back. From your main Notion workspace, start by going to the home area in your sidebar. This is usually where you see your most important or frequently used pages, along with sections like favorites and recents. Make sure you're in the right workspace if you use more than one, because trash is specific to the current workspace. Next, look for the recents section in that same sidebar. Clicking on recents is useful because it shows you pages you've interacted with recently, and it helps you confirm whether something is truly gone or just moved. If you still see the page there, you might not need trash at all and can simply open it directly. If you don't see the page where you expect it, move down to the trash option in the sidebar. Go ahead and click trash. This is your main recovery area. Here, you'll see a list of pages and subpages that have been deleted. Items are typically ordered by how recently they were removed, so the thing you just deleted is often near the top. Now, find the deleted item you want to restore. When you hover over or click on it, you'll see options appear, usually including Restore or something similar highlighted. Click that highlighted Restore option. Notion will move the page out of trash and back to its previous location in your workspace, keeping its content and structure intact. As a quick tip, if you delete something by mistake and notice it immediately, you can often use the undo shortcut, Control or Command plus Z, to reverse the action on the spot. But if you've already moved on or closed the page, heading to trash, as we just did, is the reliable way to recover your content.